Each entry of an analysis list contains the following 3 parameters: relevance, intensity, and potency. These parameters provide you with additional information that will help you to accurately interpret the result and to put it into an integral context with the other results. Relevance tells you how important the individual entry is in relation to the current focus. It also indicates its urgency. The higher the relevance, the more important the entry. Furthermore, positive relevance indicates a topic in the conscious realm. Negative relevance points to a topic in the subconscious, personal realm. When starting, you should mainly consider only the highest relevancies. Intensity is a parameter telling you how intensely the information should be transmitted into a person's information field. It is also an indicator for how much a person is ready to be confronted with the topic at hand. If the intensity is high, you can openly talk to that person about a topic. If the intensity is low, you have to be sensitive about how you approach them about that topic so that they don't react in an evasive manner. In other words, intensity signifies a person's confrontational ability towards the topic. As a simple interpretive guide, in order to get you started, you should mainly consider intensities between 6 and 10. Potency indicates whether the significance of a topic lies in the foreground or in the background, or whether the issue is a cause or an effect. This overview should help you to understand the classification more easily. On the one hand, you see relevance, which we have placed in a range between conscious, meaning from 0% to plus 100% relevance, and subconscious, meaning up to minus 100% relevance. On the other hand, you can see the different potencies in the form of D, C, and LM, corresponding to the dilution in classical homeopathy, but which are here representing different qualities in the interpretation of your analysis results: cause or effect, or foreground and background. When performing an interpretation, please consider the D and C potencies more closely, because these are representing the foreground and directly show you cause and effect of the active topic. Among these two, D is more relevant because this way you will first work on the cause before dealing with the effect. If you don't see any D potencies in your results list, check if your intention is clear and your focus coherent and adjust if necessary. If the category Goals is included in your version of the coaching module, you can use your Healy device to find some clarity in your intentions or the right focus. For instance, by choosing one result from the database, goal, alignment, and intent. Then check how you resonate with this new focus. Sometimes the goal only becomes apparent when you are dealing with it this way for a while. LM potencies can usually be simply transmitted into the information field without explicitly mentioning them in the interpretation. If you also want to consider the numbers behind the magnitudes of the potencies, pay special attention to low values, because these indicate how strongly a topic has already manifested itself. The number behind the potency provides additional clues as to how strongly the subject is materially manifested. So if you see a low number like 50, 10, or 1, this is an indicator that the topic has manifested, so you can recognize this with high probability. For example, already in the behavior of a person. High numbers after the potency like 1,000, 100,000, or 10 to the power of 36, indicate that the topic is only present in a subtle way and therefore possibly not yet clearly perceptible in everyday life, not yet tangible or comprehensible. The interpretation of these three parameters opens up extensive possibilities for you to correctly interpret each analysis result and to classify it more accurately.